Jai Srimannarayana. 14th sloka of second chapter of Srimad Bhagavad Gita. Please repeat. Matra sparsastu kaunteya sitoshna sukha dukkadaha आगमापायिनः अनित्याः तान् तितिक्षस्व भारत. ओम. In our journey through this body, the pleasure and pain come and go. They are impermanent. So tolerate them bravely without being disturbed. Sri Krishna Paramatma gives the best option for every one of us in 18th chapter, asking every one of us to surrender to Him alone. Mamekam Saranam Vraja. Now let us give a word to Sri Krishna Paramatma, saying that, O Srimannarayana, I shall not be disturbed with pain and pleasure that come and go. I shall tolerate them bravely. O Srimannarayana, I shall surrender to you alone. O Srimannarayana, I shall act according to your word. Karishye vachanam tava sarvam Sri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimannarayana. Now let us learn Srimad Bhagavatam. Namaskaram to Srimad Bhagavatam. Nigamakalpatarorgalitam phalam sukamukhadamrutadrava sanyutam पिबत भागवतं रसमालयं मुहुरहो रसिका भुवि भावुकाः. नमस्कारं टू श्रीसुख योगींद्र. यं प्रव्रजन्तमनुपेतमपेतकृत्यं द्वैपायनो विरहकातर आजुहाव पुत्रेति तन्मयतया तरवोऽभिनेदुः तं सर्वभूतहृदयं मुनिमानतोऽस्मि. नमस्कारं टू नरनारायण चतुर्मुख ब्रह्म सरस्वती देवी व्यासमहर्षि. नारायणं नमस्कृत्य नरं चैव नरोत्तमं देवीं सरस्वतीं व्यासं ततो जयं उदीरयेत्. In Srimad Bhagavatam 8th Skandham, Suta Mahamuni giving his discourse to Saunaka and other Maharshis, saying that, O Maharshis, Sri Sukha Yogindra teaching Srimad Bhagavatam to Parikshin Narendra, saying that, O Parikshin Narendra, Chaturmukha Brahma prayed Vamana to release Bali Chakravarti. After that, Paramatma saying to Brahma like this, Brahman yam anugruhnami tadvisho vidhunomyaham yenmadaha purushastabdho lokam mancha avamanyate. Hey Brahma, in this world, the human being, by seeing all these pleasures, by having some wealth, he will get so much arrogant and with so much of proud, he would not care anyone. In the end, even he would reject my supremacy also. Then what I do is, with a special grace, what I will do in order to make his life meaningful, in order to get him from that arrogance, First thing I do is take away all the wealth that he is thinking this is all his. Then I will gradually get him into right path. So what happens is, in this world, people, because of that wealth, they get so arrogant and they totally lose their discrimination ability. What is Atma, what is Paramatma? In that process, they would totally reject me, the one who is all pervasive. They think that everything is theirs and everything they are doing. Like that, they become so arrogant. They do so many activities. Because of those karmas, they take several different births, and then they feel there is no one who is equal to them by their birth, by their activities, by their youth, by their handsomeness, by their education, by their wealth. They feel that there is no one who is equal to them. They do not care anyone. So in that arrogance, they don't exactly realize what is the purpose of their life. But those who always think about me, those who feels that I am the one who is having them do all the activities, and those who does every of their actions to please me, they would never get arrogant how much ever wealth they have. Now, O Brahmadeva, this Bali Chakravarti has reached to that transcendental state. He totally conquered that Maya. He lost his wealth. He lost his status. He is tied up by Varnapasam. He is even cursed by his own Acharya. Yet, he is not going to give up the word what he gave to me. Like that, Paramatma is talking to Chaturmukha Brahma. What happens next? We will learn tomorrow. Om Shri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Om Asmadgurubhyo Namaha. Mukundamala. Krishna Rakshatu no Jagatraya Guruhu Krishnam Namasyamyaham. Krishne Namarasetravo Vinihataha. Krishnaya Tasmai Namaha. Krishnadeva Samuthitam Jagadidam Krishnasya Dasosmyaham. Krishne Tishtati Visvametadakhilam. He Krishna Samrakshamam. Srimad Bhagavad Gita, 2nd chapter, 14th sloka. Matra sparshastu kaunteya Sitoshna sukha dukkadaha Agama payino nityaha Tan titikshasva bharata. Matra sparshastu kaunteya Sitoshna sukha dukkadaha Agama payino nityaha Tan titikshasva bharata. Srimannarayana karishye vachanam tava. Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimannarayana.